What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Jane Be Tuning. Well, in today's episode, guys, it's time to continue our preparation for the summer here in this garage. And I'm actually gonna do a maintenance on the door. I usually do two maintenance every year, one in the winter time and one in the summertime, just to lubricate all our doors so that way, they will be operating as smooth as possible and as quiet as possible. So anyways, guys, we're gonna be working on our maintenance on our side lift, and I'll be doing the third bay and also the main bay as well in the process. So stay tuned. Well, now that we got the full garage pretty much empty here, guys, except the as soon as I'm far up on the lift, because we're currently working on it. All the cars now is out in the driveway, and excuse the noise there, guys. There's always trucks here because they've been building houses here for the longest time, and all the fleet all parked outside. As you guys can see, we got our Acura MDX, we got our Jetta out there, the Civic Si, and the Golf are out here. It's so dusty, guys, as you can see. There's always trucks moving back and forth in the process. I can't really enjoy my garage because it's so dusty here, guys. It's been dusty in the past 4 years, going on 5 now. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. Well, folks, enough of that B-roll. But anyways, guys, let's get going on this work that we're doing here. So all I need really is that I need my spray. I have a spray for our door. I have this action door spray here from the manufacturer that actually did my doors here. They gave me this free silicone spray. I also have another one here somewhere that I use. It is I think if you can find it, but anyways, I do have another one here, but I like this one better because this is special for my doors there. So I'm gonna spray this on. I'm gonna need a rag for sure in the process as well. Here's some rags here that I'll need to, ouch. Yeah, I just need a rag to basically wipe whatever residues and excess residues that we can get once we spray it on. So anyways, guys, I'm going to show you all the stuff that we have to spray on door system here, and we'll go from there. So pretty much, guys, here's all the parts that I'll be spraying. I'll be spraying this hinges here with this roller and all that. I try not to spray too much on the bearing because you don't want any dirt to come in there, to go in there. So similarly with this area here as well, I'll be spraying all that area here, making sure that we can lubricate all that hinges. Similarly, of course, here and here on all these rollers, definitely we'll be spraying all that. So that way it's nice and smooth. And then lastly, we'll be doing the springs. The two big springs up there as well, we'll be lubricating that, and a little bit on the roller there for the wire up the top. If you guys can see if I can focus right up there, we will be putting a bit of lubrication there as well, similarly on the other side there. So yeah, there's also a portion of the pulley right close to the machine itself. Let me again unfocus a little bit here. So there's some lubrication you can put right in between there as well. That will definitely help, for the longevity of the machine there. So anyways, guys, there's also that wire. You can also wipe that wire down. You see that wire that goes down all the way to the bottom. You can also try to wipe that down and lubricate it as well. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna do a time lapse on this. I'm gonna do a wide angle shot, and then I'll just basically do a full time lapse of what I'm doing here. So. So pretty much all done, guys. So basically, as I have done, the whole roller spring has been lubricated. As you guys can see, it's nice and equally lubricated across. And also this one here is really important because, you know, you roll the door up and then all the wires will be bunched up here. So spray those and let it drip, and then you just go up and down, and that would really lubricate it properly. So same thing here, guys. All the rollers needs to be lubricated, including the bearings. I do wipe them, get all the dirt out, and then just spray inside, and you literally, you can see and you can hear when you spin it. It's a lot quieter in the process. The other thing that I'm going to do here, guys, is that as I have done all the hinges as well, lubricated every hinges, I'm also going to go and tighten all the bolts. In the process, it's about to rain, so I'm gonna get the car in now before the rain comes, guys. There's a thunderstorm coming here, so I'm gonna get the car in now and then tighten those bolts. Well, the door is all done, guys. I got all the cars, most of the cars, obviously, the 4 cars inside here now. I managed to finish everything, including the other door there before the rain came. Just wanted to show you guys the door now, how quiet it is. Basically, I'm gonna demonstrate the opening part of the door here and show you guys how it sounds now compared to before. Obviously, I didn't do the before and after, but anyways, it's nice and quiet. Given that we have a bonus room up there, up here, we barely hear nothing at all when it opens up. Beauty. Anyways, guys, I hope this is gonna help from the point of view of maintaining your doors. And until next time, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, peace out.